You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, sorry about that. If you want to learn more Greek mythology names, make sure to stay tuned. Sorry, I had a bit of a brain bug. Chryses is how it is pronounced in Greek. Chryses. Okay, so in English, therefore, it's most generally pronounced as Chryses. Chryses as in Chryses of Troy. Now, some pronounce it also as crisis in English. But Chryses or Chryses in Greek. Chryses is closer to the Greek pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.